Is the Friend with Benefits Emily Finch Masturbator perfect for beginners? Today I'm going to show you if it's perfect for you. The Emily Finch Masturbator is the perfect masturbator for beginners. All of the Friend with Benefits masturbators are a small, compact size, so they're discreet, really comfortable to hold, and perfect for beginners. The Emily Finch Masturbator has a realistic design, and each pocket masturbator has a different realistic design, and it feels very soft and smooth. It's made of a TPR material, so it's soft yet firm. It's also very stretchy and flexible as well. It also has a stimulating ribbing canal on the inside for fantastic pleasure during use. When using the Emily Finch Masturbator, we'd highly recommend to use a water-based lubricant during use for extra comfort. We'd also recommend to use it with all the pocket masturbators as well. Did you find this video helpful? Why not check out our other product videos on our YouTube channel? Perhaps you have a question you'd like to ask us. Why not leave a comment below and we'll get back to you.